the direction of stock movement next day, which gave more than 3% of movement in a day. So for this, let's move on to the chart. So here we can see, so in this candle price have moved up, and in the next day you can see price again moved up. So in this candle probably it's looking like it has given more than 3% of movement. So we will calculate the movement of stock using these line of codes. So here, so you can see that in this candle, in this green candle, the open price is less than the close price. So and when the price has gone down, the close price is greater than the open price. So so this is condition for price going up, and this is the condition when price is going down. So first let us calculate the percentage of movement of stock. So for this we will be running a loop. So here we will calculate the closing price, open price, and high and low. Open, low, high, and close. So we have open, high, low, close price value. So first let us calculate the percentage of movement. So for this, so we will calculate the difference between high price and low price divided by high price. So this will give us the percentage of movement. Now we have to check if percentage of movement is greater than 3. So 3 is we are taking just it can be anything, but for now we are using 3. And here also we'll print the name. So let us run the code. So this code is running. So we are getting lot of times where price is greater than 3. So it will complete until all the stocks has been iterated. Okay, so let us close this. Now we have to add one more condition here, like if a percentage of movement is greater than 3, so on the next day we have to check if the price has moved in this forward direction or not. So now we have to check in which direction it has moved. So for this we will compare the open and close price. If open this means if open price is greater, then price has fallen down. So let's add a flag here. So I have added just before this loop because it will get flashed if we write inside of this. Every time this loop will run, it will again come to false. So that's why we have added just above it. So it will be flag up is equal to okay. So we have to see that the next day if the price is moving up or not. So for the next day we have to just use int +1. These two are not necessary here. Here we will add -1 because we are referencing to the next element here also. It may run out of the data at the last element. So here we will add same condition again. As followed the previous day movement. Else has not followed. Same is for downtrend. So just we will copy paste this code. Okay, with these things can be written up, so no need to add same line of codes. So let's calculate how many times it has moved up and down. So followed movement equal to 0. So here followed movement is going to follow movement plus 1. We will just keep on calculate saving how many times it has followed and not followed. Let it comment. We will just okay. So loop is ending at this point. here we will print followed. So let us run the code. Okay, let's comment out these things. Things would be pretty much clear after that. And plate name also. So for Tata Motors, 487 times stock has followed the movement, and 371 times stock has not followed the movement. And same is for every stocks over here. So we added two logics here. This open greater than close, it will calculate if the price has gone up. Open less than close if stock has gone down. And this percentage move is just created by high minus low divided by high. Using these two conditions, we are able to know if the stock has followed the previous day movement or not. So here we have used this NSE pi to get the data. This for index, we are taking this data inside length. It calculates the total length of the data, and that's it. It has done all of the things that we need to do. So that's it for today. Thank you.